Welcome to Electropixels. This is a 24-inch LED TV. Here the complaint is with the backlight. While opening the back cover of the TV, here I found that one of the capacitor is bulged out and it's already blown out from the motherboard. Here you can see this capacitor is faulty. Because of that, it causing no display issue. You can see the capacitor is blown out from the motherboard. So to repair this, we need to replace the faulty capacitor with a new one. Here you can see the value of the capacitor. You can see the value. It's a 10 volt capacitor. So let's replace this capacitor with a new one and check the picture. See, you can see the faulty capacitor in my hand, which is blown out from the motherboard. Here we replace it with the new capacitor. Here you can see the new capacitor. So now everything is done. Now let's power on the TV and check the picture. Here you can see now the TV is power on. Here you can see the picture. So the complaint is successfully solved. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. See you in another video with another interesting topics.